So I recently got this from Temu. This is supposed to be a Fender Eliminator tail tidy license plate holder. I just got this from Temu a couple days ago, and I said I'm going to do a live unboxing for you guys, and then we'll do a little review. I'll tell you how it is. This is available in, check the link in my description if you want to get this for yourselves. I think this is very affordable. This is less than $10 on Temu. So check the link in my bio. Sorry, check the link in my description if you want to get something like this. Let's see what's inside the carton. This is supposed to be color gold. There was black, there was red, there was blue. I said I want the gold one since I'm going to be painting my bike red and black. Oh wow. Oh wow, this looks good. Damn. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh, this is color gold. This is a Fender Eliminator tail tidy license plate holder from Temu. Oh wow, this is solid though. This feels like proper steel. Oh wow. Is there any other thing in the box? Okay, the box is totally empty. Okay, this this is part of it. I think this is supposed to be used to, I don't know whether it's the screw or one of these. I think it's a screw to tighten or loosen one of the one of these here. Okay, so take note of this. Of course, I'm not going to be the one who's going to do it myself, so I'm sure my mechanic will be able to figure out how to use these. Guys, this feels like steel. So the way it works is, right, it's very adjustable. The way it works is this part, oh wait, no, this part, yes, this part goes up into the bike, right, and removes the total fender, and then is screwed with this part here to the bike. And then this part is what holds the license plate. You see, this is the part that holds the license plate. I think with the screws uh, here and here, I believe, and the parts that hold the rear turn signals are this. So you screw your rear turn signals into this hole and this hole, right? And then your license plate stays in the middle. How cool is this, guys? This looks so lovely. I just hope it doesn't fade. I can't tell right now if it will fade or not. Let's do some scratch test. Is it scratching off? Is it scratching off? No, it's not scratching. Let's hope that this lasts long without fading. Now, come downstairs with me. Let me show you my Kawasaki Ninja 250. I'll be putting this on my Kawasaki Ninja 250. I'm going to show you right where it's going to go into my bike. But before we go downstairs, let me just show you quickly what the reviews about this product are. Let me show you what people are talking about, what people are saying about this product, people who have used this product and bought this product for their bikes. Come online with me. Let me show you the reviews of this Fender Eliminator kit. So here we are on my Temu dashboard. Let me show you. So this is the product I bought. So as you can see, like I said, there is silver, red, blue, black, green, and gold. Gold is the one I bought right here. Okay, so let's take a look at, like I said, look at the price. This is 11,400 naira. So this is way less than $10. So this is pretty cheap, and it does exactly what you want it to do. You don't have to go and buy something very expensive. Now let me look at the reviews. Okay, so it has a 4.6 rating out of 5 from 37 reviews. Noel says just as described, super good, 100% satisfied. Okay. Eric says perfect and good quality. Uh, Another person says good and sturdy, easily adjustable. While another person from Portugal says absolutely spectacular. I loved it. All right. So if you want this, like I said, check the link in my description and you can find this product on Temu for less than $10. Okay. So let's go outside and get. Let me show you how this is going to be attached to my motorcycle. Here we are. So all this big stub of plastic you are seeing here, from the top to the bottom, this entire fender is going to be removed along with the lights, and we're going to place it something like this. It's going to look like this, you get. And then we're going to replace with LED bulbs on the sides of the fender eliminator.